Yes. Me again.
Yeah.
And I'm back.
Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this might be a surprise to some people. I started my locks over for those that didn't know. Today I'm going to be doing a 1 month lock update. I'm kind of over 1 month, but that's okay. I just wanted to keep y'all updated. So I'm just going to give you guys a look of what my hair is looking like right now and answer a few questions. So stay tuned.
Yeah, okay. Could it be the truth? Or is it real with another lady? If you kiss the man, push it on, let me say, I am not the one, just around, in the place. So prove yourself to me, give me more, don't you claim? I want you say the things, that you said to me yesterday. But I say that I was the things, and then there's a one thing.
So I guess the first question that people probably want to know, why did I take out my first set of locks in the first place? I honestly took my locks out because I was stressed, and whenever I'm stressed, the first thing that I want to manipulate is my hair. I took out one lock, I took out two locks, and before I knew it, after 5 days, all my hair was combed out. I started my locks January 25th, 2019. I was originally going to try and wait until February 10th, which, as you guys know, was my lock anniversary for my first set of locks. I just couldn't wait anymore, and I was like, you know what? I want to lock my hair right now. So I did it. I did comb coils. I actually taught myself how to do it. I just decided I've already done twists. Let me try something new. You can already tell as well, I use the same parting method, which is just the traditional brick parting method. The only difference was I made my parts a lot smaller, which ended up ultimately giving me more locks. So that leads me to my next question. A lot of people have been asking me how many locks I have. Honestly,
I do not know.
but I know for a fact I have more locks than I did with my last set. I just wanted to have under 100 locks. For me, I don't feel like I have a big enough head or thick enough hair to have 100 locks. I've only washed my hair one time, and immediately after washing my hair, I could tell where my hair was gonna start budding. You can already see that I have a lot of budding, lots of frizz, and it's like at the middle to the end of my lock. That is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next lock month update with my new set of newfound locks.